What is Coinmarketcap and cryptocurrency? Crypto market capitalization. Explain.
Disclaimer. This is meant purely for informational purposes. What you decide to do with this information is up to you. The video, channel, and associates cannot be held liable for any outcomes by taking action on information provided. Also, any referral links can possibly lead to the creator of this content receiving compensation. Thank you for your support in advance. Enjoy.
One of the most popular terms in the cryptocurrency investing world is coin market cap, or sometimes referred to as market cap for short. You see it, but you may not get it exactly. Don't feel bad. This video is specifically dedicated to helping you more fully understand this important term so you can make better financial decisions with your crypto investing. So let's go break it down. So when a website or person mentions coin market cap, they're referring to the total value of a cryptocurrency's entire blockchain. The formula is calculated as follows. Price, which is what the crypto coin is currently trading at in all exchange markets, times the number of the coins in circulation are in the public's hands. Simple explanation. A new coin is created and put on the exchange market. Its trading price is roughly $1 per coin, and the total supply of that coin in public circulation is 100. So $1 is the average price per coin. Then we have 100 coins in circulation. $1 times 100 equals $100. So $1 times 100 coins in circulation equals out to be $100 as the total market cap value. Not very much, huh? Websites like Coinmarketcap.com already have this clearly displayed for all coins that are listed there. You can see the coin market cap for each coin listed on their list, with the top one generally being Bitcoin, but Ethereum is close behind. Why is coin market cap or total market cap so important in evaluating a coin? Well, when most investors, especially new investors, are looking to invest, they see the price per coin and are automatically intimidated by a big price per coin like Bitcoin, which takes several $1,000s per coin to own a whole one. Then they might look at one like Ripple XRP and think that since it is only trading at a little over $1.30, that this is automatically a better and easier buy. Though, if you look closer, you will see the total market cap value of Bitcoin is overall larger at around $190 billion for its whole blockchain. Ripple, while a profitable coin, only has a total market cap value of $52.53 billion. So Bitcoin ultimately owns more of the market in general. So it might be worth investing more in Bitcoin and getting fractional coins versus getting whole coins of Ripple or lower ranked crypto coins. So looking at crypto market capitalization can really lead to better long-term investments and stronger returns with less risk. So we learned here that coin market capitalization is basically the supply of coins of a particular cryptocurrency times the price per coin at a current time. Keep this in mind and you will be doing drastically better than someone who doesn't know. Want more info and advice about Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more? Check out the links in the description or beneath this video. Plus, learn how to get free Bitcoins and lots more. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this CryptoCashReady video.
Special bonus. Grab special free offer worth $10 of Bitcoins now. Go to http://bit.ly/coinbasetime. Again, go to bit.ly/coinbasetime.